Hello students, today we are going to start the first lesson of geography, that is of our environment. In this chapter beta we will discuss about the living and non-living things, natural and human made things. Okay, these all things are our environment. Okay, means the things which are living or non-living surrounds us, that is environment. Okay, and it is categorized into groups. Number 1 is natural environment and number 2 is human made environment. Okay, in natural environment beta, the things which occurred by naturally. Okay, by nature the things, some things are occurred like mountains, lakes, rivers. Okay, these things are come in the category of natural environment. Okay, and the things which are made by human being like houses, roads, parks, hospitals, etc. Okay, these things come in the category of human made environment. Okay, now further natural environment is divided in two categories: physical environment and biological environment. Okay, physical environment further has three components. Number 1 is lithosphere, number 2 hydrosphere, and number 3 is atmosphere. Okay, first of all we will discuss about the lithosphere. Lithosphere, litho word come from Greek language. The lithos in Greek language means stone. Okay, the hard surface on the earth is called lithosphere. Okay, then second is hydrosphere. In Greek language, hydro means water, then all the water bodies, all the part of earth which is covered with water on the earth, below the earth, or in the air also, that is known as hydrosphere. Okay, and the third one is that is of atmosphere. The air which is covered the earth, that is known as atmosphere. Okay, it consists many gases, water vapors, etc. Okay, so बच्चे environment plays very important role in human life. It provides us many natural things like water, land for the cultivation, for building houses, forest. Okay, but human being is changing this environment according to their needs. Okay, they are cutting trees, making for making furnitures, for making houses, for making factories. Okay, and polluting the environment. So this is not a good way. Okay, so we have to save our natural things like save our earth, save our water bodies. Okay, so that our life can become long lasting. Otherwise, if these things will be destroyed on the earth, then human life or the life it cannot be possible on this planet. I hope you will understand this. Thanks and have a nice day.